Warangal City witnesses a new dawn in clean energy. Megha Gas proudly inaugurates its very first piped natural gas connection in the heart of the Tri-Cities. The Honorable Minister for Forests, Environment and Endowments, Smt Konda Surekha, joined local dignitaries and Megha Gas leadership to switch on uninterrupted eco-friendly fuel. This milestone brings affordable, safe, and sustainable gas directly into every home. Our certified technicians completed rigorous safety checks from pressure tests to leak detection, ensuring each meter delivers precise flow and reliable performance 24/7. With PNG, households save on fuel costs, restaurants enjoy consistent heat, and small industries gain uninterrupted energy. Emissions dropped dramatically, clearing the way for healthier air across Warangal, Hanamkonda and Kazipet. Join Megha Gas on this journey to a cleaner, greener future.